Hi everyone, this is our new MacBook that we brought from the Apple store. We're opening it in front of you so that you can see how the box and the packing and everything is. The key features of this MacBook is that it has an Intel Core i7 processor. It has an Intel Iris Pro graphics. It has ultra fast flash storage. It has up to 9 hours of battery life, and it has a Force Touch trackpad. It has 16 GB RAM. As you can see, my husband's taking it out of the cover. That's the HDMI cable that comes with it, and those are pieces of the charger. This is the first MacBook that we bought, and it's a gift from me to my husband for our anniversary. I'm bringing down the camera a little so you can see the screen. It's already set up, so that's the back, and that's it. Have a good day.